So we are going to study the connecting devices. So the connecting devices are divided into 5 different categories based on the layer in which they are operating. So a passive hub, next an active hub, then a bridge or 2-layer switch, router or 3-layer switch, and gateway. We are going to see one by one. So the first one is the passive hub. It will be operating below the physical layer. And the next one, the active hub or repeater, it will operate at the physical layer. And the third one is bridge or 2-layer switch. It will be acting on physical and data link layer. And next one is a router or 3-layer switch, which will operate on physical data link and network layer. And last one, a gateway, which will operate on all the 5 layers. First one is passive hub. A passive hub is nothing but it is just a connector. It connects the wires coming from different branches. Okay, in a star topology, a Ethernet LAN, a passive hub is just a point where the signal coming from different stations collide. The hub is a collision point and is located below the physical layer. Next one is a repeater. A repeater is a device that operates only on physical layer. The signal that carry information within a network can travel a fixed distance before attenuation. So before the signal is degraded, it can travel to a particular distance. So if you want to move that signal to a large distance, then you need a repeater or a regenerator. Okay, what the repeater will do means a repeater receives a signal before it is so weak, regenerates its original bit pattern, and it will send the refreshed signal. So it is strengthening the signal before the signal is getting weak. So we can extend the length or the time. We can extend that travel length of a signal by using this repeater. Next one, bridge. A bridge operating both physical and data link layer. As a physical layer device, it regenerates its signal as it receives. This is a bridge. So here you are having 2 devices in LAN 1 and 2 devices in LAN 2, and a bridge is connected between these 2 devices. So it will be acting in the physical layer as well as in the data link layer. So bridge connecting different LANs. Theoretically, a bridge should be able to connect LANs using different protocols at the data link layer, such as Ethernet LAN to wireless LAN. However, there are many issues are there. The main issues are the frame format, the maximum data size, the data rate, bit order, security, and multimedia support. Next one is the router. Router is a 3-layer device that routes packet based on their logical address. That is host to host addressing. Next one is gateway. A gateway is a normal computer that operates in all 5 layers of the internet or the 7 layers of OS/ISO model. A gateway takes an application message, reads it, and interprets it. This means that it can be used as a connecting device between 2 internet that use different models. Virtual LAN. So here you are having a switch. In the switch, you are making a virtual connection. You are grouping the LANs. Now, a LAN can be divided into several logical LANs called virtual LAN. So each virtual LAN is nothing but a work group in the organization. If a person moves from one work group to another work group, there is no need to change the physical configuration. So the group membership in virtual LAN is defined by software and it is not hardware. So any station can be logically moved from one LAN to another LAN. All members belonging to a virtual LAN can receive broadcast messages sent to that particular virtual LAN. So virtual LAN technology allows the grouping of stations connected to different switches in virtual LAN.